Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a little bit about fractions. Fractions, and I believe you worked with them in grade 1, are made up of two parts here, okay? The bottom, which is called a denominator, is the total amount of the object, okay? The total parts. The top part, which is called a numerator, are the pieces or the parts. What am I talking about? Well, let's go into the definition. A fraction describes part of a whole that is divided into equal parts. So for instance, I have this rectangle here, okay? And I'm gonna look at the whole, or the denominator, which is the total parts. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 parts that make up the whole, all together, okay? Whole you can think of all together. That's a good keyword to help you remember, okay? This bottom number is the total parts. How many blocks were there all together? That's right, 10 we counted. So we put the number 10 on the bottom. And sorry, my hands are a little bit wiggly because I am videotaping at the same time. So the total amount, which is the denominator, is at the bottom, which is 10. Now we're gonna look at parts. So we can make a couple of different fractions from this shape. I can ask you, okay, what fraction of this shape is green? Okay, so well, we count how many green parts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since the key word was parts or pieces, I know that number goes at the top, okay? Again, the parts or the pieces go at the top. We counted 5. I can say 5/10 of the shape are green, okay? We're gonna go back to this shape again, and this time I'm gonna ask you what fraction of this shape is yellow. Try guessing. Do you have an answer? Okay, let me walk you through it. So the number that goes at the bottom is the total. So how many pieces are there all together? We know there's 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I put that number at the bottom. Parts, or the pieces, and I had asked you how much of this shape is yellow. Well, let's find the yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3. 3 squares out of this whole shape are yellow. So that number goes to the top. Okay, so 3/10 of this shape, or of this rectangle, are yellow. Here's a bonus question. How many, or what fraction of this shape is orange? Do you have an answer? Okay, well, I know the total number goes at the bottom. And total again, I'm gonna count by 5s, 5, 10 at the bottom. And the top are the pieces or the parts. Well, 3 pieces or 3 parts of this rectangle are yellow. Oh, sorry, I asked you for orange. Sorry. 2. 2/10, I'm so sorry. I meant the orange. 2/10 are orange. So we made, right now from this shape, 3 different fractions. 2/10 are orange. 5/10 were green. And 3/10 are yellow. Okay, I'm gonna do an example with you here. Jocelyn ate one of the pizza slices shown. how much of the pizza did Jocelyn eat? Well, we have to identify the total number of slices. And we know the total number goes here at the bottom. So let's quickly count. 1, you know what? Make sure I don't get lost in my counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 slices. 8 goes at the bottom. And we know she ate 1. This part that's shaded here. So number of slices eaten, well, that would be 1/8. Okay, Jocelyn ate 1/8 of the pizza. Now, there's a secondary question here. Refer to the question above. Jack ate 2 pizza slices. How much of the pizza did Jack eat? Well, he ate 2 pizza slices. Okay, so he had 1, 2. What was the fraction that he ate? 2/8. Okay, it's 8 slices at the bottom, even though Jocelyn ate a slice, because it's asking from that whole pizza. And the whole pizza had 8 slices. Okay, so Jack had 2/8 and Jocelyn had 1/8. I hope this video helps. Enjoy the activity.